In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Woocommerce button color in just 5 minutes. Now let's dive right into it. The first thing we're going to do is access the WordPress dashboard of your website. It's really the control room of your site where all the major decisions and adjustments happen. To get there, you simply need to navigate to your website's URL, followed by /wp admin. Once you're in, you'll find yourself at the heart of your WordPress website, ready to start making changes. Now that we're in the dashboard, the next step is to direct our attention to the Appearance section. This section of the dashboard is quite crucial because it's where you're able to adjust how your site appears to visitors. This includes themes, colors, and yes, even button colors. So you'll want to click on Appearance to move forward. Imagine it as opening the door to a whole new world of customization for your site. After clicking on Appearance, you're going to be presented with several options, but the one we're interested in today is the editor. This is where the magic happens, where you can directly edit the themes and elements of your site at a code level. Clicking on Editor is like picking up the brush to paint the canvas of your website to your taste. Once we've accessed the editor, it's time to look for the Toggle Block Inserter button. This might sound a bit technical, but it's simply a way for us to add new blocks or elements to our site. Think of it as selecting the tools before you start your work. The Toggle Block Inserter button opens up the possibilities for what you can add to your website's pages or posts, including the customizable buttons we're focusing on today. Following that, we're going to choose buttons from the options available. This step is pretty straightforward. By selecting buttons, we're indicating exactly what part of our site we intend to customize. It's like picking out which garment you want to tailor in a wardrobe full of options. Alright, so we've made it to the button section. Now here's where the customization really becomes fun. You have the power to change the colors, making your website truly your own. It's important to choose colors that align with your brand and make your call to actions stand out. Colors can influence visitor behavior, so choose wisely. What's fantastic about WordPress and WooCommerce is the level of customization they offer, allowing you to tailor almost every aspect of your website to match your vision. Changing button colors might seem like a small tweak, but it can have a significant impact on the user experience and aesthetic of your site. Now, a couple of tips before we wrap up. Always preview the changes before finalizing them. It's crucial to see how the new button color looks with the rest of your site's design. Consider accessibility and contrast. Ensure that the text on your buttons is easily readable against the background color you choose. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, we've accessed the WordPress dashboard, navigated to the site appearance settings, located the editor, and customized our WooCommerce button colors, all set to make your site look even more appealing. Remember, the beauty of working with platforms like WordPress and WooCommerce lies in the ability to make your website truly unique. Small changes like adjusting button colors can make a significant difference in the look and feel of your site. I hope this guide makes the process smoother and inspires you to continue exploring the vast customization options available. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on how to change your WooCommerce button colors. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your website stand out.